So I'm going to walk for some time and reach my location from where I will start today's run. I'm actually running after a long time, so I don't know whether I will be able to cover 10 kilometers today or not, but I will give it a try. Oh no, so the sun is out. Hopefully it doesn't become too hot today. Let's see. By the way, this is Sam, the Lost Hero. Welcome back to my channel. I know I am very inconsistent in terms of putting out videos, but yeah, I just got the new GoPro yesterday and I'm here to check it out, check its quality, so enjoy this video. So it is about time I start my run, and this is the app I use to track my runs, Nike Run Club. Let's start. Just let me know how is the stabilization. How much are we in? Oh, only 200 meters. See, the roads are 70 at this time. There's less pollution comparatively, and the weather is changing. Like, winter is coming, guys. And it feels so good to run. I think the last time I ran was back in August. See, there's the Big Ben, and I'm going there. Then after that, I'm going to cross the footbridge and enter into Salt Lake and go for the long run. I hope the GoPro is recording all of this. About 600 meters. Yeah, there's the Big Ben right here. Wow. Kia Seltos. I see it everywhere these days. Okay. Let's go from here. Wow. I don't think is it recording? I hope it does. So this is a new part they made over here along with the subway. Looks pretty good. Wow, yellow taxi with a Big Ben. Pretty cliche frames these days. Shit. Did I step on shit? Nah, I'm good. The grass was moist. Moist. I'm going to cross this footbridge right now. Yo! Oh, people sleep over here at night. Oh, completely blocked the view of the Big Ben right here. But here you go. You can see it right now, hopefully. Moving out reverse. Let's go. Yeah, I just remembered that I also have a cycle. Sitting at my house and getting rusted. Need to take that thing out. Oh, let's go. Oh, I should have paused the time. I was practically walking. Okay guys, I'm actually shooting at 5K, 5.3K, 60 FPS. Let's go. Oh, we are 1 kilometer in. 5.3k. We don't get the super view. So I'm going to shoot in 4K 60 right now. Enjoy the run. I mean, I'm going to enjoy the run. You guys enjoy the view. You know how the stabilization is. 4K 60. Yes. Let's go. Let's pick up some pace. Shit. That's my music. Figured out that it's really difficult to vlog or try to make a video and run at the same time. Like, I tried my best, had a terrible run, but yeah, I'm just checking out this GoPro and seems like I got some good footage. You guys tell me, how do you find this GoPro image quality? The stabilization is really good, I will say. I am already having a terrible run today, so what I have decided is that I will grab a bottle of water and sit in front of the big bell over there. I hope you can see it, and make a time lapse. Yeah, that's pretty much the plan. By the way, I ran only 4.4 kilometers sheet in 40 minutes, that too. Really bad. Let's go out from here. Start জলের বোতল নাও। ঠান্ডা দেবো নরমাল দেবো? নরমাল।